Hello, in this quick video I'm going to show you around this Aurora Leisure XL from Wildax. Come and have a look. Right, this one is the Aurora Leisure XL Wildax one. If you compare this to one of the previous videos I did on the Benny van, the Benny van 124 from Bennymore, you see what I mean about they've just made a little transverse bed in the back of this, so straight away this is ruled out for me. But I think in that Benny van you'd got at least 6 foot, so. But decent lockers, plenty of lighting, TV point. I like tambour doors. I know they're not to everyone's taste. You've obviously got your blinds and your fly screens. I don't need to show you them, but there we go. And I can't see, unless I'm not looking, any USBs. I suppose they could be underneath. I can't, obviously, I'm not going to mess about taking this bed back up because it's set up like this. You've got a roof light in this one. Plenty of storage. Little table in there. Looks like your TV stuff there, and maybe iNet box. Is that internet, I guess? Yeah. Plug sockets in there for your fridge. Lots of nice little bits of storage knocking about. I think what they do in here, they give you more storage to make up for the smaller bed, obviously, haven't they? It's always a compromise. So you got your microwave, really big compressor fridge with a chiller at the bottom. Bathroom's not terrible because it's got a tambour door, so you've got a decent size. It's no shower curtain, which we like. Roof vent up there, again tambour door cupboard. Don't like the solid sinks, but it's not terrible in here. There's a fair bit of room. Mirror there, light switch up there for your bathroom, I presume. And yeah, not bad, not bad. Controls are all there. Bit of overcab storage in this one. Again, plenty of light. And your troomer there for your heating. This is a 3 berth, so that makes a little single bed there using the driver's seat. Underfloor storage there. Put cans and stuff under there, I suppose. And then you've got your normal triplex combined oven and grill. This one's just 3 burners. Plenty of storage. That's one thing this van has got, although it hasn't got a great deal of sleeping area for someone tall. It really does have a lot of storage. Yeah. And this is a slightly older cab like ours, because it obviously hasn't got the digital dash, but it still is an automatic. But yeah, quite like that. Wouldn't work for me, but I like the layout of this one. Although again, I'm struggling to find USB sockets. Unless I, looking behind, she says there's a couple there, look. So yeah, well, I guess they put them at the front. They expect you to sit here all the time and just really leave that as a bed, I presume. Although, like I say, there may be some under there and I can't get to them, so apologies for my non-comprehensive look round. You wouldn't want anything different, would you? 'Tis me after all. Heather's going to look in the back now. Can you see any access from the back? Oh, I'll come outside and look if so.
Yeah.
I'll come out that way. I've got to show you around the outside anyway, folks. But inside's quite good. It is a little tight there, but not terrible. But this is a decent travelling seat, fair size. And you can have your telly at both ends. There's a telly point there and there. So 2 separate areas in effect. Store your table on the back of the door. And there is a fair bit of storage under these beds, to be fair. Batteries in there, and looks like your consumer unit and your charger at the back there. Water tanks are all insulated under there.
What's that socket there then? Is that like
Where's that?
240?
Yeah, it's a 240 socket on the floor down there, yeah. Yeah, that's a bit strange. You think about that. Where's your socket for your telly there? Have you got your telly lead plugged in on the floor?
Yeah, but only if you're on.
Well, yeah, but just saying, it's a bit odd not having a 240 socket there. But anyway, so there we go, Aurora Leisure XL. You got your 240 in, or 230 we should say, shouldn't we? Toilet cassette there, water drains. This one's obviously got underslung LPG as well. Yeah, water tanks are all insulated. Yeah, you've got your water input there, as Heather's just said. Tow bar on the back, reversing sensors and a camera. This one has got the Lanzarote grey, Expedition grey. Yeah, this one, this one. Yeah, this is the colour that we're going to have with our new van. This is the Expedition grey. I keep getting them confused. Lanzarote is the darker one. But I do like these Wildaxes. They throw them together well. Just pretty good. I like that. Right then, that was a quick look around this Aurora Leisure XL from Wildax. 6.36 metre on a Fiat. Let me know what you think of this one. As I said before, not suitable for me, but I do like to show you these camper vans. We don't tend to do a lot of motorhomes, but camper vans, yeah, always gives you ideas. There's always going to be another van eventually, isn't there? So what do you reckon? Let me know in the comments below.